How to create custom paper size for any Epson printer. Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some methods in order to do so, just so you can follow out these step by step. First of all, we can open up our settings, type in Windows plus R in your keyboard, and there type in Control Printers and hit enter, and that will open up your settings. You can look out for printer and scanner here and find your specific printer. After that, right click on your printer and look out for printing preferences. Select it. For your Epson printer, I'm just showing it as an example. You can follow the same process for that. And there, just go over and create up a custom paper size. So look out for advanced and look out for paper size and select up your width and height, etc. and go ahead and confirm it up. For creating a custom paper size in your printer, you can just go and do so, and even copy size. After that, click on OK and confirm it up and save it with the name, and that should do it. Otherwise, we can use printer server properties. Print server properties. If custom size is not showing, press Windows plus R for that, and there again type in Control Printers, hit enter, and at the top menu in printers and scanners, you can look out for the option called print server properties, this one right here, and open it up. And there we can look out for the forms tab here, and under forms we can select the option for create a new form, and there we can just go and enter the form name, etc. and then we can choose up the width and the height in the section and click on save or apply and click on OK and do so. And now open up the printer preferences and select the new size, and that will do it for you. And that's it everybody. You can follow out this method if you want to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.